Hello, this is Daniel Weens with mac and cheese. Mouse and cheese. This is Mouse and Cheese, a game that I created a long time ago. It's Mouse and Cheese. Mouse and cheese. There's the cheese. There's the mouse. It's in full color on this picture. This is the cover for it. And this is a program. It's not a game. It helps the mouse move back and forth on your screen, on the Atari computer screen, while he's getting the cheese. Now the cheese is just a little dot, and the mouse is a little dot that look like a mouse. But as you see, if you go and get your Colleen app on your computer, this just represents it. Your Colleen app is on your computer, but I'm not going to pull it up right now to mess up my program. So basically, you go to Colleen on your Android app or on your telephone and push it. You get that from the Play Store. You must put in the ROMs for it to work. It won't work at first when you first press it and look on it. That's why it doesn't do anything. It tells you to put in 5 different ROMs. These are the 5 ROMs. I'll read them off. You go to Atari 5200.ROM, Atari base. Okay, there's an interruption here. Wait a minute. Okay, 5200.ROM, Atari base.ROM, Atari Atari OSA.ROM, Atari OSB.ROM, and Atari XL.ROM. These 5 ROMs are what you're going to look for when you get them on the download list. Put in Atari BAS.ROM like that in Google, and it'll pull up a website. Go to the website and download each of these slowly and separately. They'll go to your download list on your folder. Now you'll also need, as well as the Colleen app, you'll need to download the Rare app. If you already have WinRare or Ware, then use that. Use the little flat one on the icon. I don't have the color one. I don't show it. I don't really want to show it because I have to do certain things, and this thing keeps interrupting me while I'm making this video. I already made this video like 5 times already, but I'll try to make it one last time and get it in there. But graphic 0 is a command that you have to use when BASIC is open, when it says ready at the beginning, when you load in everything and everything works, and enter. Oh, I didn't put that in. But you have to remember rem ignores things on a line. Run, it runs a program. A line number looks like this. This is a program actually. 5 rem, 10 rem, 20 rem, 25 rem, 30 rem. That is a saved program. That's a program. Those are command on the line. But you can put a command on a line. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna start all over again at the beginning and put our program in. But once you get your Atari running, it's gonna show you a screen like this. It's gonna show you a screen like this. You gotta tap the top middle of the screen to see this. See how there's a top middle to your screen? When you tap that top middle, it will pull up that preferences list right there. When you touch that little dot, it'll pull up that preference. It says preference right there. Touch the preference list, and it takes you to this sub screen. There's another screen. It'll tell you save current state. When you push that top middle, that's where you can save things. But see where it says state save path? When you go to state save path and touch that, it'll take you to a directory that looks like this. There's no large folders. There's no large folders up and down here. You don't see any of those folders up and down here. You're not going to see those. You're just going to see the file names. Okay? That means you can select the directory. So you press select directory, and it'll take you back to the previous menu, and then you go back by pushing back on the Android tablet. Back arrow looks like this. The back arrow looks like it's on here somewhere. It's right there, the back arrow. The back arrow looks like that on your Android. It's at the bottom of the screen. You got to pull it up by sliding. Slide your finger up. Slide your finger upwards, and then press that button and go back. When you go back, go to the file folder again and press it again. This time when you press it though, and you see that screen, you'll see the same screen. You'll have your download listed programs on. I should have drew them in there, but you'll have your download listed programs in here, or you can save files in here. Or if you want to go to another file, push the folder button, and it'll take you to where there's another screen. There'll be folders. Now this just represents it. It doesn't look this messy. It doesn't have this on it. It just has the folders. They're smaller. You have to way more. They have folders here. You get all these folders. You can tap one of them, and then you'll go into it. It'll appear on the at the top where it says open file and SD card. It'll appear in there. So that's where you are. You have to look there too, and you can come over to the files. Now say you want to go backwards. Well, it'll tell you which one to go to, back to, by you knowing which folder you were already in. You were in the download. That's where your program was. It was in that download folder because you downloaded it. So that's where it will be. Look for it on this line when you see the folders on the left of the screen all the way up and down. Like example, it could be one of these. One of these means it could mean download. So you tap it, and it'll take you back to your files, and you'll see your files again. Now let's enter the program. Let's get this over with. Let's go ahead and enter the program now. This is the Atari programming language. Type in GR0 by itself first before you even start, and push the button to clear the screen. Then type in 0, GR.0. Type in 2, go sub 5000. 4, go sub space 4000. 5, GR.7. 10, go sub space 3010. 20, open number 1, comma 4, comma 0, comma quote K dot dot unquote. 25, rem, it does not recognize what that is. It won't even do anything with it. It'll ignore it. Slash ignore. No, I just made that up. 30, get space number 1, comma K. 34, color 1 dot dot go sub 3010 dot dot go sub 6000. Let's go down to 35, color 0 dot dot go sub 3010 dot dot go sub 6000. 37, if K equals 33, then end. That's how you break out of it. You have to push the shift exclamation mark to break out of it. It'll tell you in the program. If K equals 74, then A equals A plus 1. Okay, 45, if K equals 71, then A equals A minus 1. There's a space in between in A. 50 goes to 27. 27 goes sub 5000 dot dot color 1 dot dot goes sub 3010. Next line is 3005 color 2 dot dot go sub 3010. 3000 rem, that means it doesn't do anything. 330 plot A comma E dot dot plot A plus 2 comma E dot plot A plus 1 comma E plus 1. Now go to 399. That's all in one. 330. That's all in one line. 399. Return 4000. A equals 0. Dot dot E equals 20. Dot dot C equals 40. Dot dot D equals 15. Make sure those values are right. 4999. Return 5000. POS period 0 comma 0. Dot dot print quote press get G and J to move. Exclamation mark will break. Close quotes. That's all one line. That's 5000. 5999 return. And finally 6000 for Y equals 1 to 5 dot dot next Y. That's a pause. 699 return. And also you want to add one extra line in there. Is there an extra line that needs to be in there? Well, you need to add line 3 in there originally. When I first did this, there was a line in there that I needed to use. It was called line 3. If I can find it, I can use it. But it doesn't look like that. No, here it is. Nope, that's not it. But it's somewhere. Well, line 3, you have to. Let me study it again.